Inscreva-se.
Bem-vindo ao Brasil visto por drone. Hoje, vamos sobrevoar Araras, descobrindo as suas paisagens mais incríveis vistas de cima. Prepare-se para uma experiência única.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Araras é um município brasileiro do estado de São Paulo. Sua população, de acordo com o censo 2022, IBGE, era de 130.866 habitantes. O município é banhado pelo rio Mogi Guaçu. A economia de Araras é baseada na agroindústria. A mais antiga e maior planta industrial da Nestlé Brasil está localizada na cidade, onde estabeleceu-se em 1921. O Grupo Usina São João SG, com mais de 60 anos de atividades, também compõe a base da economia local. No entanto, a atividade econômica de Araras vem se diversificando ao longo dos anos, e hoje a riqueza produzida no município vem de empresas de diversos segmentos e da agricultura, pecuária, comércio e prestação de serviços. São fabricantes de alimentos, insumos, laminações, indústrias moveleiras, metalúrgicas, químicas, tecelagens e promissores empreendimentos no setor ceramista.
Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the fear. Godspeed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Essa foi Araras Vista de Cima. Se você gostou, deixe seu like, inscreva-se no canal e comente qual cidade você quer ver no próximo vídeo. Até a próxima aventura aérea.